What's up everyone? I'm your host Satyajit and welcome back to Spirit Tales. So guys, today I'm back again with my another easy and unique cocktail recipe for you. Today I'm gonna make rum and ginger. If you're hosting a party at your home, so this cocktail is gonna rock your party. So let's not waste more time, let's make the drink. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's go.
For this cocktail, you need a highball glass. Now fill the glass with lots of ice. Perfect. And now add 60 ml of ginger syrup. To balance the drink, 30 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Perfect. Now mix it properly. Now add club soda into your glass. Alright, that's cool. Mix all the things properly with a bar spoon. And finally I'm gonna top up the glass with 60 ml of Bacardi Black Rum. I'm gonna keep the garnish very simple. I'm gonna use a lemon wheel. Alright. Perfect. Your rum and ginger is ready to go. Cheers. Alright, that's all for this video. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share. Don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video.